5 Fun fact of fly leg rubbing. Flies have tiny hairs on their legs that help them sense and taste food. Rubbing their legs helps clean these hairs of dirt and debris. Flies have sensory organs on their legs that help them communicate with other flies. Rubbing their legs can. Rubbing their legs helps flies remove parasites and bacteria. Flies have tiny structures on their legs that help them maintain balance. Rubbing their legs helps them balance on uneven surfaces. Leg rubbing might also be a habit that flies do without any clear reason,